Guys, what's up? It's Tuesday. It's your boy Rally Rail. Oh God, I'm sitting in the kitchen. I'm trying to find something to cook. There's nothing to cook. I ain't been grocery shopping. It's a Tuesday. And I was thinking, let's go outside, see what's out. It's such a nice day. Such a nice day. It's starting to get a little warm. Nice day though. Trying to figure out something to cook. There's nothing to cook. I see some bread in the refrigerator. I see some spaghetti sauce. I see cheese. I'm like, Way back in the day when we was little, we used to go to 4-H. We used to go to all kind of stuff like that. 4-H. I was in Boy Scouts, all kind of stuff like that. And they used to teach us in home ed in junior high school. We used to go to this class called home ed. They used to teach you how to cook and sew, and I still like that class too. I think it's one of the reasons why I like to cook too. I like to sew. And we used to make these little pieces with nothing but sauce and some cheese. And I think that's what I'm gonna throw in the stove. My mom and my sister gonna be like, "Child, what is this?" I can leave the door open. Let's see. See, look. Let's see. What can I see? That's what the bread. I use this kind of bread and a hot dog bun. You know how you have 2 or 3 hot dog bun left over? Oh Lord. Hot dog bun left over. Ooh. Okay. There's nothing to eat. I got the stove on already. Ooh. I think I might have to do something like that. That's it. I got this cheese, taco blend, parmesan, mozzarella, and mozzarella. And I found some bacon bits. I'm finna make me some little pizzas. Let's get it. I found this garlic on pizza. What kind of seasoning would you put on pizza? Nothing. Except for Parmesan cheese, right? And I got Parmesan cheese. Maybe some Italian seasoning. Maybe a little Italian seasoning. Let's see. should have put garlic down first. Think about it. Some garlic. Italian seasoning. And that was taco blend. This is mozzarella. Parmesan. Okay. That's it. I've put meat sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of cheeses. Four different types of cheeses. Last but not least, bacon bits. My oven has been preheated to $3.50. Trash. A little bit more garlic. Italian seasoning. Nah, it's a pizza. You just grab some out of your refrigerator, out your pantry, on your shelf. Look at that. Pizzas. I'm gonna put them in the oven and see what happens, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Let's check the pizza. The homemade pizza. 4H style. 4H style. Ooh. Oh, that's hot. Hot. Ooh. That's hot. That's good. It tastes like pizza. Yes. While I just make pizza, y'all. Make pizza with stuff out of my fridge. Bon appetito. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Peace of peace. Whatever yourself and live your life. I do.